there by Hernandez. Regidor going up to Fortuna. He has been on fire for the white shirts. First blood drawn by LaSalle. Hernandez with a serve, picked up there by Disquitado. Over received. Aggressive LaSalle squad we're seeing here. Regidor going for that quick to Layog. Great coverage from NU. Ordiales hitting from the left.
Ordiales starting to hit up.
They're maximizing on that. Budin with that serve picked up there by Retiro. They go up to a block of Leo Ordiales.
Leo
Buds with the serve this time. Regidor will put this up to Layo. Gapultos was there. No loose balls for NU. Disquitado getting a check. Layog will be serving. They go up to a push that is not going to cross. Layog, who is graduating with that serve. Off the block was Leo Ordiales, tied at 4.
there.
Yeah, we have just to see that calmness that he showed in the third set. Oh, Gloria making it look simple.
There has been
Fortuna with the serve. Pick up there by Gapultos. They go up to Mocaba on that quick. 5-all. Ordiales with that serve. Regidor going up to the back quick. Read well there by Makatangay, but a net infraction yet again for National University. Eugene Gloria with a serve. Pick up there by Jade. They go up to Disquitado. Off the blockers. Regidor will set this one up to Isa. Makatangay was there. They go up to Ordiales from the back row.
I would just like to commend Makatangay B.
Disquitado with that serve. They go up to Hernandez. He gets it off the block. His last game in the UAP on your screens earlier. Picked up there by Gloria. Better passing that we're seeing here. Hernandez, he's denied. Hernandez on the second try. Oh, that's off the hands of Ordiales. 1 point game in favor of LaSalle Ezer on that serve. Oh, Peng Tagibolos putting some muscle into that.
Bumawi si Peng.
Ancheta with that serve. Oh, what a hit for Paulo Layo. That is point number 10, and he is the 4th.
To your teammates.
How do you like to remember your last game? Makatangay to serve. Pick up there by Retiro. They go up to Fortuna.
MJ Fortuna has
LaSalle.
been...
Pick up there by Makatangay. They go up to Ordiales. That is through the block for Leo. Tied at 10. Jonas Hernandez serving for NU. That was almost an ace. They go up to Disquitado off the blockers. LaSalle keeping this alive. Gloria down the line for Eugene.
Here in set 5.
Fortuna with that serve. They go up to Ordiales. That's off the hands of Fortuna. That's going to be a point for NU.
Perfect pass here.
Oh, Eugene Gloria. Let's see. If babalik siya doon sa ganong ways. That was serve. That answer coming from Jade Disquitado.
Back on the floor.
Yeah.
He has been really a threat too.
Someone who's playing his last game in the UAP, that is always a threat. They go to Makatangay with that push on the other side. Regidor choosing Hernandez, who gets that through the block and gives LaSalle match side.
They are protecting here the blockings.
Let's see. NU going to Mocaba. He's rejected. They're going to Ordiales. This time it's through the block.
This has been the specific instruction.
1 point to win and 1 point to extend. Mocaba with that serve picked up by Gloria. They go up to a block. That is a solid block coming from Tagibolos. Chance ball coming from LaSalle. Let's see what NU will do. They go up to Budin, who goes cross court.
Budin says we're not yet done here.
Something that has been building up and bubbling up in the last few years. Mukaba with a serve picked up there by Gloria. Regidor going up to the quick. Layog ties things over. And how poetic that it is the graduating player on. Just the best moment that they could have this. That serve coming from Regidor. Ancheta going for that quick peng. Hinabaan on the other side. Hernandez forcing a shot. LaSalle fans celebrating.
Point na puntusan ng mga middle blockers nila.
It's about changing your energy.
Yes.
Ball is still alive. Budin will make something out of this. That is out. Are they gonna get a check? Both teams have a one. Oh! There you have it. LaSalle, emotional as it can be, wins their final game.
This is a good statement that you want to impart to your players that even in your last playing year or if you're given the chance na makapasok sa loob ng court,